Hello YouTube friends. So a couple of weeks ago my truck started making a grinding noise coming from around the front area of the engine bay. If you've been around cars long enough, you'd recognize that nasty grinding noise. I knew off the bat that the bearings on one of those pulleys was about to give out. But it wasn't too loud with the radio on, and it went away when it was raining, so I let things go for a while. Because you always gotta leave some stuff for tomorrow, right? Well, sometime later, the AC also started complaining. I figured it was the AC clutch that was gonna go, so needless to say, gotta go check it out. A common failure point on the AC compressor is the clutch, so I figured I'd remove it since that's the easiest part to do. The noise did die down a bit after taking it out, but the grinding persisted. I guess the bearing on the pulley seems to have overheated and suffered as well. Which leads to today's unboxing. To remove that pulley bearing assembly, you need to have some snap ring pliers, which of course I don't have. You may also need a bearing puller, but I'll wing it on that one. I've got 3 very lightly used hammers and a full bottle of PLEA blaster that needs to get used. Anyways, let me show you what snap ring pliers I've chosen to get. I don't really work on cars anymore, so I wanted a tool that could easily pay for itself on a single use. If you don't work in the automotive industry, there's really no reason to have any of the Cartier type tools you get from the tool truck vendors. Well, here it is. Let's open her up and see. I guess this is always fun doing, huh? There we go. That's them there. There. Some cheap little pliers. I'd probably paid like 13, 14 bucks for them, but I'd rather pay that than the $50, $60 that the tool truck vendors would have taken for me. So I'm gonna probably be using these sometime this weekend and checking them out and see if they work. I'll probably update the description on the YouTube there and see, how do you call it, let you guys know how it turns out. I know that my experience has been that these cheap little ones, when you're using them in a production environment, these little tips, they tend to go pretty quickly. But when you're doing just one, don't really need to get the expensive stuff. Oh, there it is. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Also, I'll add an affiliate link to these pliers down in the description. If you guys feel so inclined, click on that link and buy them from there if you can. That way I kind of get, supposedly, some kind of commission from it. Well, thanks a bunch for watching, and as always, if you can like, share, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Have a good one.